Alright, I'm super excited, Natrajan.
Me too.
Thanks a lot for accepting our partnership. We are here in nice sunny San Diego. I think in California, this is like second largest city, I believe.
Yes.
And in US, it is somewhere in top 10, 8 or something. So this partnership means a lot. I think we see a huge emphasis on education in San Diego parents and all. And we always wanted to be here. And we talked to several folks, and I'm so happy that.
For a question like, so I was enrolled in this kids education for a long time, this particular thing. And for my son itself, he was willing to do the project, but he goes to the class, comes back, that's it. What does he do beyond that, right? Then I was looking to Moonpreneur. I think I got from the LinkedIn, I just browsed and I got your contact, and then I've been tracking Robotics for 4 years. Wow. This Moonpreneur. So how it's going on, right? And I really like the concept of you teaching, not only teaching the robotics, but taking it to the next level.
No, I love it, and I love your journey, especially your passion for kids education. One thing which really was so synergistic, we were pretty much on the same page on that day itself, where we shared like the whole product building experience, right? Because as we see, the AI is becoming like now everyday life, right? We are seeing so much prevalence pretty much in every vertical. They're already saying 300 to 800 million jobs might time. Right? Mm-hmm. Of course, the new jobs are going to come and all, but now all the low-level things, low-level programmers, low-level writers, low-level creative staff, designer, that job is not going to be there. Now, somebody who can connect the dots becomes a lot more important. That's where teaching a skill, let's say coding or whatever, that's just the starting point. So that's where the kids are learning something, building something, and then go to markets. The whole product building life cycle. That's critical. And I think that is something is trying the chord, right?
Process leads to kids actually doing something out of what they learn, which is exactly what we do, right? You study. I don't know why I'm studying it. I studied. I'm a communication engineer. I should not say like this, but I didn't know why I was studying digital signal processing until I landed in a job which in which they are using audio compression using digital signal processing. So if I would have known for audio processing, I will DSP. I would have much more interest. I would know what it is. It's the same concept that you guys are doing. So what you're trying to do is that you're trying to say, hey, so this is what is done, okay? Do that actually. And then you try to understand how it's doing that. That way, if I'm interested, I'll go deeper and deeper. You don't even need to guide me. I'll go deeper because I like that. This is what I see interested. So that is what I'm totally the way in which Moonpreneur is going. Totally like.
No, I love it. So two things. We are certainly making it a lot more accessible because there are things available like this in a bits and pieces in a brick and mortar, but they are not accessible. There might be only 3 places in the entire US, in big cities, how to take it to every child, right? So that's very important. But I think the other thing, what you said about like inspiration, just telling them what they are learning, why they are learning. Mm-hmm. I think that does a big trick.
Yes.
So right now we are teaching non-curriculum stuff. There is advanced mathematics, but that's the only part of curriculum what we are teaching. What we are learning, when the child's mind is open and the child understands what they are learning, the way you are explaining your DSP example.
I was just watching one of your presentations which you teach about the sensors, right? You build a circuit, you put a resistor, you put a photosensor and everything. You don't teach what is resistor, what are the line beams and all those things. For kids, it's boring, right? And so other day, you just put a resistor, put a photoresistor, form a circuit, and then you slide the resistor over, right? Rolls it up. Oh wow, that's it. Then he tried to do the same thing, and once he likes the concept, he will go and study what resistor means and everything.
I'm so happy, and the passion speaks for itself. The way you are answering every question, I'm already seeing that this is going to go in a big way. Really happy to be here, and thanks a lot for being our partner.